Good morning, Carver Cougars. This is Dr. Hollenbeck with this morning's announcements. Today is Friday, February 15, 2019. It's a great day to be a Carver Cougar. Monday, February 18th, no school due to President's Day. And then on Wednesday, February 20th, it's Skate City from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. I just love going to skating parties, and I hope I get to see you there too. I love watching our Carver Cougars skate. The word of the day today is volume. 5th grade, attention please. Remember, today you'll be taking a short Galileo test about volume. So let's have a quick review, but today's review might come in places that you aren't expecting. So remember, with volume, and one of the things I like to do is think of the V in volume with 3 little red dots. See that there? And you could use the counting formula where you count the blocks inside, or you could use the formula where you would take the length times the width times the height. That's 3 numbers, and that's how you can remember with volume. There's 3 dots on the V. So don't let the test makers trick you. They might even throw in a problem or an answer that might look right. Like, for example, on this one, we would take 2 times 3 times 4. But they might throw an answer in there where they're adding those numbers instead of multiplying. Don't let them trick you. And remember to join the fun. On February 26th and 27th, we have 2 more evenings with Gigi. What a great way to get caught up. And remember, Gigi's birthday party is Thursday, March 21st, and you need to be at 61% by Friday, March 15th. Okay, here we go, everyone. Volume. V, 3 red dots. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48 cubic millimeters. Volume. Evenings with Gigi. We have a few pictures to share with you. We had some students that came and they worked so hard. We even had one student that completed over 400 puzzles. What an amazing evening was. Oh, look at this. We have another volume problem. V, 3 red dots, 3 numbers that we multiply. Here we go. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, if you know how to do those on your hand, go ahead. If you just know it, it's 27 cubic yards. Volume. Here's another student that was working really hard on our first Gigi night. Look at the excitement. And here we go, another student. We had such an amazing time with parents and teachers. As you can see here in the background, we have Mrs. Rivera working with a parent and a student, and wow, we got a lot of work done. So remember, we have 2 more nights. Oh, it's another volume problem. How did that happen? V for volume, 3 red dots, 3 numbers multiplied by each other. Wow. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 3? Wow, that's a big number. I guess you'll have to pause the announcements to figure the answer out for that. If you don't know your multiplication problems or facts, you could go ahead and take 64 plus 64 plus 64. But I think it would be a lot easier to know your multiplication facts and go ahead and take 64 times 3. Volume, 3 red dots, 3 numbers that we multiply together. If it is to be, it is up to me. 10 2-letter words to live by. And don't forget the Pledge of Allegiance. But wait, there's more. Ready for another math problem? Or maybe 2? Of course we are. Here we go. We have a fraction 1, and it looks like another fraction 1. Lots of different ways you can solve this. My favorite one is to draw pictures, but maybe that's not your favorite way. But make sure that your answer does make sense. For example, if the problem was 1/5 of 75 cupcakes equals what? And you come up with an answer like 125, how could that be? 1/5 of 75 is 125. 1/5 of 75 cupcakes could be even more. That doesn't make sense. So make sure, just don't nod your head saying, yeah, it makes sense. No, you have to make sure that it really does. Thank you, boys and girls, for all of your hard work, and I hope you have a great day and a great weekend.